Welcome to today's discussion on exciting side hustles that students can start in 2024. In an era where entrepreneurship is flourishing, leveraging your skills and time as a student can not only supplement your income but also provide valuable real world experiences. Let's dive into 6 lucrative side hustles that are particularly suitable for students. Number 1, freelance content creation. One of the most flexible and accessible side hustles for students is freelance content creation. Whether you have a flair for writing, graphic design, or video editing, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase and monetize your skill. With the demand for digital content continuously rising, students can tap into this market, offering services ranging from blog writing to social media platforms. Number 2, online tutoring. The demand for online education has surged, creating a vast opportunity for students to become online tutors. Platforms like Check Tutors, Tutor.com, Visa connect students with those seeking academic help. If you excel in a particular subject, this side hustle not only helps you share your knowledge but also earns you a decent income. Additionally, online tutoring allows for flexible scheduling, making it suitable for students managing academic commitments. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent side hustle for students with a strong online presence. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services through unique affiliate links, students can earn a commission on sales generated. Social media platforms, blogs, and even YouTube channels can serve as an effective medium for affiliate marketing. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate make it easy for students to join affiliate programs and start earning. Number 4, dropshipping. For students interested in e-commerce, dropshipping offers a low-risk way to start a business. This model involves selling products to customers without holding any inventory. When a product is sold, the seller purchases the items from a third party, who then ships it directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo have streamlined the dropshipping process, enabling students to set up their online stores easily. Success in dropshipping requires effective marketing strategies and understanding target audience. Number 5, virtual assistants. With businesses and entrepreneurs increasingly outsourcing tasks, virtual assistants has emerged as a valuable side hustle for students. Tasks such as email management, social media scheduling, and data entry can be performed remotely. Websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Time, etc., connect virtual assistants with clients seeking support. This side hustle not only provides valuable administrative experience, but also allows students to develop a diverse skills set. Number 6, app development. For students with programming skills, venturing into app development can be a rewarding side hustle. The app market continues to grow, and there is a constant demand for innovative solutions. Students can create apps for various purposes, from productivity tools to entertainment. Platforms like Google Play Store and Apple App Store offer avenues for publishing and monetizing apps. Engaging in app development not only enhances technical skills, but also opens up possibilities for creating a suitable passive income stream. The landscape of side hustles for students in 2024 is diverse and filled with opportunities. Whether you choose to explore freelance content creation, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, virtual assistants, or app development. Each of these side hustles offer unique benefits and a chance to gain valuable entrepreneurial experience. As you embark on your side hustle journey, remember to balance your commitments and prioritize learning and growth. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial endeavors.